Let us see how to make the fruit custard. We will first take 3 spoons of custard in a container and mix it with some milk so that it forms a thick syrup. Mix vigorously to avoid any lump formation. Now you can see how it's mixed very well, and now we use hot milk. Mix 1 full glass of milk and stir vigorously so that it mixes evenly, forming into a thick syrup of custard. You can see how the thick syrup has been formed. Now we add some sugar and mix well. To this we add some elaichi powder and mix well. Now we're going to transfer this completely into a container and refrigerate it for 15 minutes. To this we're going to add fruits, some mangoes, some chopped apples, some bananas, some pomegranate, some grapes, chopped badams. With this, our custard is ready to be served.